The following message is transmitted there requested of the United States government. At 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. There are unknown figure remaining around the streets. All residents are advised to lock all doors and windows. Turn off all lights and heat and cooling. Stay tuned for this dangerous situation.
Welcome to Fox News 5. We have been reports that there's some unknown figure that comes from a cartoon show, which is as known thomas.exe. All residents are being in shelter, I guess. So, we can deal with this. My militaries are be setting out there, I guess, to fight this creature. And so we have a reporter. So what do you want to tell us? There was a figure that who tried to kill us. So we have to be in shelter. And then I like to be there. So what you tell about? He has a white number 1, and he has a white coming out face, and bloody teeth, and a red eyes, and then a spider legs came out. Okay, that's enough. So anyways, stay tuned for this dangerous situation. Bye.
The following message is transmitted there requested of the United States government. At 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now unknown as thomas.exe. The figure is described as, has a 1 on both sides, a funnel on top, a dome on the second row, painted blue, has a whistles, and 8 spider legs and with face open mouth with bloody teeth. All residents are advised to lock all doors and windows, turn off all heat and cooling. Stay tuned for this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted there requested of the United States government. At 4 p.m. Central Standard Time thomas.exe has been reported in other states. These areas are include but not limited to Los Angeles, New York City, Springfield, Tennessee, Ohio, and Kentucky. If you are in these areas, evacuate now. Do not for any reason spec will result in certain death. Get your food, water, pets, medical supplies, a flashlight, and the battery power or hand crank radio. Stay tuned for this dangerous situation. All clear, thomas.exe has been defeated. It's safe to come out of your shelter.